Okay. Hi, hi and good morning. You can understand from my voice, and I'm currently sick. So I didn't went to school today. So I'm just gonna be staying at home. And I can't really sleep because I have a nose, okay, I'll just explain it in the subtitles because I don't know what the word I can say that for. Okay, so I'm sick and I look terrible and I didn't went to school. I'm going to be staying at home. I'll probably do some studying because I got plenty of time, and that's all. My mom made me this tea. I think it's called I actually don't know what it's called, but it looks super cute, especially in this cup. I don't know what you call it. I'm sorry. And that's my tea right here. My mom is making me soup right now. Also, my hair looks so bad. Okay, looks a bit bad. Okay, so my mom is making me soup. I love soup. And I'm gonna try to look more human. Okay, yeah, I'll look a bit better. I'm not gonna cover up my eye bags though because I'm at Jesus Christ. I'm at home. What the fuck was that? Also, quick sick fit check. This is my biggie t-shirt. This is my pajamas. I'm still cool even though I'm sick. So we're back home. I forgot to film the shopping, but it's okay. I got myself a strawberry milk, some sweets, actually just one sweet, but I don't know what it's called. So, and noodles. So I'm going to study while I drink my strawberry milk, or while I eat my sweet. I paint my nails. I've been just crawling inside on my bed, or inside, not on my bed, for probably like an hour. It's so boring. I don't know what to do. This is going to be the most boring video I've ever made. And plus I look terrible. And plus I can't talk. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna make myself some oatmeal, I think. But I'm not sure. Also, I have my hot water bag on my... What is this place? Spine? No. Back? On my back, yeah. I said spine, what the fuck? I don't know what to do. I'm just on my bed for I've been on my bed for fucking hours just scrolling on TikTok. I'm so bored. This is the shittiest video I've ever made. God damn it.